you. Yes.
How are we doing, everyone? We are back with week 26 of GoMining's solo mining, and still sitting pretty with 3 miners. Of course, one's the bonus miner. 215 terahash, 20 watts of terahash, and wait, what? 15.83% discount? Wait, what? GMT 2,965.64 GMT. What? We had a fucking baller guy come through today, and he used my referral link, the one down in the description below, to purchase his first miner today, and he purchased a big one, and it got us a big reward. So huge thank you to him. There's a separate video on that, but we're gonna get right back into the weekly update on this. The dashboard for our total Bitcoin rewards. Now, I believe there was someone in the comments, or there's like 2 people now that were saying like the rewards fluctuate based off the price change. Yes, this is true. The price changes based off of the price of Bitcoin. The way that someone, or I think 2 people so far have worded it, makes it seem like the total Bitcoin rewards changes based off the price. No, every time I've done the weekly update, or even every day when I log in and I look at this total Bitcoin rewards is never lower than when it was previously. It's always going up the next day because I'm always adding more Bitcoin each day. This is the number that was mistaken, and I'm still currently speaking with GoMining representatives about this. The only number that changes is the dollar amount down here, because you're mining Bitcoin, you're not mining fiat currency, you're mining actual Bitcoin. So I just want to clear that up because some people are either confused or their comment is not properly worded and it's sounding confusing. So for the total Bitcoin rewards is 0.03269,543. It says at current value, it is worth $3,665.27. But when we put it into the Bitcoin to USD converter, it is actually $3,659.89. So about $6 lower than what is currently updated on the price here. This price is more accurate. I believe so. Actually, right here, it shows it. This price is currently based off of 6 minutes ago. So this price is incorrect. I guess if I wanted to go into the full price, I would go into TradingView, but I don't want to pull that up right now because I have that pulled up on my other computer. And then it's just going to close those, or not close them. It's going to tell me to reconnect it. I don't feel like reconnecting to all those tabs. So now we're going to hop into the weekly rewards. This is where I got a little confused last week to where these numbers were making sense. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add up the numbers along here instead. And then we're going to go into the Bitcoin to USD converter. So for the week of October 14th to the 20th, apply. For these 7 days, it's kind of iffy on the rewards. We had 2 days where we actually fully used GMT to pay for the fees. We had 1 day, which was yesterday, to where we paid the fees with Bitcoin. And then the rest of the days were half-half. These ones are for when I paid 1 miner in GMT and then the other miner with Bitcoin. If I click on it, you'll see not enough GoMinings on your virtual wallet to pay for the maintenance fees. So this one got paid with GoMining. This one I had to pay with Bitcoin. Same thing with this. Same thing with this, and same thing with this. Now I'm going to add up these days here, not using this. I'm going to use the calculator because we found out that the numbers don't add up. And even now, we'll see when I do it. So we have, starting off on the 14th, 5792 plus 617. Oop, we actually clicked the 6 there. 79 plus 5886 plus 9228 plus 9209 plus 5911 plus 3173. Let's see if this number is going to equal this. And what do you know, it doesn't. I'll even double check. 4 zeros, 5792. 4 zeros, 5792. 4 zeros, 6179. 4 zeros, 6179. 4 zeros, 5886. 4 zeros, 5886. 4 zeros, 9228. 4 zeros, 9228. 4 zeros, 9209. 4 zeros, 9209. 4 zeros, 5911. 4 zeros, 5911. And then the last one, 4 zeros, 3173. 3173. These numbers do not equal he. But at least I know this is my number. So I'm going to come on over here to that Bitcoin converter, and we're going to type in 000 123 45 37 8. 45 37 8. That is $50.80 at current value, what we mined last week. Absolutely beautiful, absolutely brilliant. But the best part is now, because we had this big boy baller come through, and I mean it, like big boy baller, this is a referral bonus. Someone who knows scared money don't make no money. Scared money don't make no money. He purchased a nice, 1,000 plus terahash miner. I can pay for maintenance for the next 183 days. This guy just blessed me. Thank you, man. God bless you. you, man. Thank you. I appreciate it. You have no fucking idea. Are you serious? Look at that. Look what they did again. They lowered again. I swear to God, last week it was 1.50. Now it's 1.33%. Man, they're just going after the solo miners now. They want people going for the miner wars. That's okay. That's okay. Because we're still mining Bitcoin, man. We're still mining the Bitcoin no matter what. No matter what. It doesn't matter. Bitcoin is being mined. They can't stop you from that. They can't stop you. And of course, this one is somehow still for sale. Still for sale. For $49.35. 100 terahash at 20 watts of terahash. $49.35. To mint a brand new one that's only 96 is over 5,000. Mine's kind of on a deal right now. You get an extra 4 terahash for a little bit of a deal. For like 100 GMT less. Come on. I don't know why no one's hooking me up there on the secondary market. There's literally like 100 to 200 fucking sales a day of miners. People are buying these miners, man. I'm telling you, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 in the last hour. Do the math on that. At that rate, that's 240 a day. Cripes, man. And some people might think, oh no, people just aren't, doing big purchases. No, look right here. Someone purchased a greedy machine at 150 terahash with 35 watts of terahash for over 6,000 GMT. Like, come on. I know people are spending it. I know people are spending that GMT. Even here. Okay, you know what? That's a good deal. Is it? This is 2 times the price of mine. No, it's 15 watts of terahash. Okay, and the greedy machine. Okay, that makes sense. But come on. I got mine on a deal right now, guys. 100 terahash at 20 watts of terahash for just under, or should I say just over 4,900 GMT. Come on. I'll use this, add on to this miner. I really only want to have one miner, to be honest. One miner, my opinion, is the best, but I do like the look of this one. Nah, I gotta go with my OG one. I want to keep my OG. I don't care if it looks ugly. It looks ugly. This one's fucking beautiful, but I like this one. Either way, referral link will be down in the description below. You'll earn 5% on your first miner purchase. You can get started with 1 terahash at 20 watts of terahash for as little as $23.99, bringing in 1 cent today. It's all up to you guys. Do your own research prior. Have a good one. We'll see you soon. Take care.
Miracle, but you bet the minimal. Should've bet it all. Hell no, not the unthinkable. Grow some balls if you got a pair.